Hello, good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Yes, all right. So, good evening once again to you, Sarah. So, how are you doing tonight?
Um, I going with my mom to make my mom to make a new nails.
All right. Well, that's nice. Okay, by the way, there is an upcoming holiday in Vietnam. So, how many days of holiday will you have?
I have 5 days.
Wow, that's great. 5 days holiday. Oh, it's a very long holiday. Okay, so on Thursday, that is also a holiday, right?
Yes,
Okay, so are you going to learn with me on that day or not?
I don't know.
It's okay. I'll just ask your mom in the group chat instead because it's fine with me if you will not learn, and I'm also fine if you will learn. I just want to ask in advance. But
Okay.
anyway, what are your plans for the holiday, Sarah?
What did you ask me?
I mean, what are your plans for the long holidays?
Mm, my plans is going to Dalat and Danang.
Oh, Danang?
Yes.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Is Banahil. You can search it in Google. Googles.
Yes. Yeah, I've heard so many good things about Danang. That is also one of the tourist destination whenever you visit
And I
Vietnam because it
can
has a
search.
very beautiful. Yeah, I can search it. I actually plan to go there. It's just that I couldn't file for leave because I just got hired from the company that I'm employed in. So probably next year I'll go in Danang.
Okay.
Yes, because Danang is a very beautiful place. So how many times have you been there, Sarah?
I've been there many times, but I've been at the Banana Hill was one time.
It was one time and you're gonna go back there for the second time, right?
Yes.
All right. So anyway, Sarah, tonight we are now in Unit 14. It is all about, are you hungry or thirsty? Okay, so how are you feeling right now, Sarah? Is it either hungry or thirsty?
No, because today I eat fish, green sea, and rice. Green plants.
Yeah, so that's really healthy.
Like
Okay, yeah.
seaweed. I
So
eat seaweed.
seaweeds, yes, I know seaweeds. I also like eating seaweed. Okay. So, well, that's great. Now, here, we're going to play a game. Okay, so this is just a warm up in Unit 14. So, this game is entitled Food Word Race. Oh, actually, you're going to have a race with Mai. Unfortunately, she's not yet around. Okay, so you're gonna do it on your own. Look at all. Oh, I will set a timer. I will set a timer for only 1 minute. And let's see how fast can you put, okay, or how many words can you categorize in each in here? Okay, say for example, fruit. So what are the words that you can put under fruit? Vegetables, meat, what's this? Made with flour and made using milk. Are you ready to start, Sarah?
Yes.
Okay. Then here, let me set a timer. Wait a minute. So this is only 1 minute timer. So I'll set this into 0, 0, then 1. Oh, Mai is here. So let's just wait for Mai instead. Hello, Mai. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Yes. Okay, so we haven't started yet, but okay, we're going to have a warm up. So again, you're going to have a race with Sarah. So this game is all about food word race. Okay, so let's see. Oh, not yet, Sarah. Is that who wrote this one? Is it you, Sarah?
Yes.
Wow, you're so fast. Not yet, not yet. Okay, I'm going to erase that one later. So in 1 minute, oh, here. So my will be in
Yes.
charge for fruits and vegetables. Okay, then Sarah, you'll be in charge with made with flour and
I want
made
I want
using
fruits
milk.
and vegetables. I want fruits and vegetables.
Okay, to be fair, hold on. To be fair, Sarah will answer vegetables and meat. Then
Okay.
my will answer made with flour and
Made of
fruits. But wait a minute, Sarah, I will let you write it again because the time hasn't started yet. This is a race. Okay. Then, if you still have time, you can actually find some words and put it under made using milk. So I will put a label so that you won't be confused. Okay, so this one, I will put my. So this is letter M. This is Sarah. This is Sarah. We have my. Then Sarah and my. Okay, now are you ready, my and Sarah?
okay. Yes.
Is that clear, my? By the way, my, did you get the instruction? Yes?
Yes.
All right. Now, look, timer starts now. 30 seconds left. Wow. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Today. All right. Now, let's see. Oh, do you have answers, Mai?
One, only one, only one, only one.
Only one. Okay. Now I'll give you another minute. Oh, very good. Okay, I'll give you another minute. Okay, this will be the last minute. Look, finalize your answer.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that one. Okay, so that's it for the 1 minute. So Sarah, put some vegetables here. Then Mai put some fruits within 1 minute. Now, let's see how many answers have you written in here. Let's check Sarah first because she finished first. So we have tomato, onion, carrot, potato, and lemon. So that's five. While my got apple, banana, lime, mango. Okay, this is onion is not a fruit, orange, pear, and watermelon. So my got I wrote eight, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, seven only. My wrote seven. Okay. Minus one because onion is not a fruit. So she got 6 points. While Sarah got one, two, three, four, five. So our winner is Mai. Congratulations on that one, Mai. Now, are you ready for the next round, Sarah and Mai?
Yes. Teacher,
Very
make
good.
with
Oh,
flour. What is it?
what, Mai?
Make with flour. What is it?
Ah, made with flour. All right. So, some foods that are made of flour. Oh, flour is like this. I will show you a picture of what flour is. It's like a white powder. We use it to make bread, cake, pasta. Okay, here's
Okay,
flour.
okay.
Let me show you a picture. Hold on. Oh, can you imagine it now, Mai?
Okay, okay, okay.
Oh, to be fair, hold on, Sarah. Not. I will not let you answer meat. Made with
I
milk
eraser.
instead. Okay, so this is what flour is, Mai. Look like this one. It's white powder. Okay, now I will give you 1 minute again. So let's make sure that no one's writing. Okay. So take note that Mai is our winner for the first round. Now here's the second round. Not yet. Timer starts now. Sarah, you will answer made using milk. Then Mai will answer made using flour.
But you asked me answer meat. You asked me answer meat.
Oh, sorry. Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. Okay. So wait a minute. Hold on. I will erase. I'm sorry, Mai. Okay. So to avoid confusion, look, to be fair with Mai. So Mai will answer made with flour and Sarah will answer made using milk. Okay. Are we clear on that one? Timer. Okay. Look. Timer starts now. Three, two, one. Time's up. Ready or not, put your answer. Okay, so my
Sure.
finish first. Okay, so that's it.
What?
All right, then Sarah's done too. So my, let's check my's answer. Okay, bread, correct. Cake, noodles. Let me put this aside first, Sarah. Pasta and yogurt. Okay, yogurt
No, no,
is
teacher,
not
teacher,
made with flour.
teacher.
Yes, my.
I I have a visa and pizza a pizza
And
and burger. But
okay, wait. Uh-huh. But
no, 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 no.
continue, Mai. All right.
Thank you, sir.
So, yes, thank you for that one. So, you are about to write pizza burger. Okay. However, time's up. Okay. So, let's be fair with Sarah. So, I will only consider the answers that you've written in here before the time end. Okay. So, you've written bread, cake, noodles, pasta. However, yogurt is not made with flour. Okay. So, you got four. Minus one, because of yogurt, you got three. So my got three. Now let's check Sarah's answer. Made using milk, cheese. Very good. Yogurt. Okay, bread, biscuit, and cake. Ah, this can also be made with milk. So that is very clever of you to think about it, Sarah. So, okay, I'll consider this one because whenever we make bread, we put some milk in it. Whenever we made biscuit and cake, we also use milk. So you got five. Very good. Okay, so my got three. Sarah got five. Now it's a tie. Sarah is the winner. So it is a tie. Well done, Sarah and Mai. You both are winners. Okay, but however, Sarah, when we say food that is made using milk, okay, that means a food that means cheese, what else? Yogurt, butter. Those are the common food that we made out of milk. Okay, for bread, biscuit, and cake, okay, we mix it with milk together with other ingredients. But the main ingredient is not milk. It's just that I considered your answer because you are also right. Okay, so now I want you to take a look at all the words that we can see here. Okay, do you know all of the words in here? Yes or no? Oh, so we actually have a tiebreaker. Okay, so let's see who will win. Okay. Now look at this one. I will give you another minute to put words that uh that belongs to meat. Okay, so Sarah, use blue color, then my just use your red color pen in Zoom so that I can see and I can differentiate your answers. Okay, if ever that you and Sarah have the same answer, so that is not considered.
What
Okay, so you have
color
to
I
be fast.
use, teacher? What color I
You
use?
use color blue, then Mai will use red. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now
Mia. Me
timer.
is meat. Me is meat. Meat.
Say
Meat.
that. Yeah, meat. So we'll focus on meat. Now, are you ready, Mai?
Yes.
All right, then here we go. Timer starts now. I think Mai is writing her answer.
Oh, writing. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm sorry because my instruction wasn't clear. I was actually thinking that you both will write your answer. But Sarah is very wise and clever. Okay, so Mai, look what Sarah did. Okay, you can actually do it. It is a good idea. So instead of writing or typing your answer, it takes time, right, Mai? So to be fair with you, Mai, just follow what Sarah did. Then use a different color so that I can see who who thought about it first or who answered it first. So since Sarah already used blue, then you can use different color. Okay, so we will just do like this, Sarah. Okay, now Mai, are you ready? Let's go back to zero, Sarah. I'm sorry, here it is. Ready or not? Timer starts now. Oh, by the way, Mai exited. Okay, you can continue, Sarah. Okay, so I think that's it. So let's check your answers. You've got burger, very good, chicken, and sausage. Yes, so very good on that one, Sarah. Those are all um the food that belongs to the category of meat. Okay, now I want you to look at some of the words here, Sarah. Is there any word? Oh, by the way, I saw you earlier putting a line
Yes, I
below butter.
am.
Uh-huh. Okay, however, butter is not considered meat. It is made using milk. Yes. Okay, then what other words in here that you're not familiar with, Sarah? Is there any word that you're not familiar or you don't know?
Yes, what?
I mean, is there any word here that you don't know?
A pear is a P-E-A. What is?
Yes, a pear is also a fruit. It can be green, but most of the time it's yellow. It tastes like apple, but it's not apple. And pea, okay, this is considered vegetable. Okay, these are green circles. It's like beans, but not really beans because it's different from beans. I'm gonna show you a picture. Okay, here it is. This is what a pea look like this one. Pea, like that. Then pear is a fruit that is like this one. It's so delicious and crispy as and what's that? It's delicious when we put salt in it or on it here. That's what pear is. So anything else, Sarah? That's it? Nothing else? Hello, Sarah?
Yes,
Yeah, so is there any word here that you don't know, or do you know all of it now?
yes. Yeah. Oh,
You know it all. All right, Sarah. Now I'm gonna ask you some question. What is your favorite fruit, vegetable, meat,
my
uh, and meat?
my my favorite fruit is watermelon and um uh grapes. Sometimes kiwi.
Very good.
Uh,
What about
my
vegetables?
favorite vegetable is potato and tomato.
Very nice.
My favorite food meat is sausage.
Sausage. Nice. Okay, so what do you prefer, Sarah? Chicken, pork, or beef
Uh,
when it comes
chicken.
to meat? Chicken, pork, or beef?
Huh?
Yeah.
What do you ask me? I don't hear because
I
my
mean,
phone is
I mean, when it comes to meat, there are many kinds of meat. Okay, so what do you prefer or what do you like best? Chicken, pork, or beef?
oh,
Okay, so when we say yes,
sausage is my favorite. Is
ah,
sausages.
yes, there are many kinds of sausages. How about
Teacher,
like real? Yes, yes, Sarah.
where my
Oh, my is not here. Like, are you looking for my?
yes because I don't see my anywhere.
Yeah, she actually went out just earlier. when you were answering, when you were choosing your answer under meat category, but it's all right. Okay. So in here, Sarah, let's have this guessing game. Okay, look at the pink and the yellow circles. Okay, then you listen to the description in numbers 1 to 5. Then you tell me what is it. Okay, so number 1, a clever insect called the bee makes me. So what am I?
Mm, uh, honey,
Very good. Okay, number 2, add me to water to make a really cold drink. What am I?
ice, ice,
That's right. 3, I'm made of sugar and fruit. Put me on your bread.
jam,
That's correct. 4, I'm made with milk and sometimes fruit like strawberries.
uh, yogurt,
Wow, nice. 5, I'm white and I look like sand, but don't put me in your tea or coffee.
salt.
Wow, well done. That was a piece of cake for you, Sarah. All right, Sarah. So, yes, you've got it all correct. So, congratulations on that one. So, for tonight, what did we learn about? We learn about
We learn about meat, fruit, vegetable, food made of milk, fruit made of flour.
that is right. Very good. Okay, so what is something that you learned just tonight? Because when we say fruits, vegetables, meat, you already know them. How about something new that you just learned tonight in our lesson?
Mm, pea, pea,
You learned about
pea.
P. Well, that's great, Sarah. Anyway, thank you so much for joining our class. Then have a great holiday. Okay, so if you cannot join the class on Thursday, just let me know in advance. Goodbye, Sarah. Have a good night.
Goodbye.
Bye.